The train is departing to Southend Station.
Good morning all, good morning Doha. This is Devi back with my new blog. So I reached finally from Cape Town to Doha. After so many years I traveled in Qatar Airways. So Doha is really a very beautiful city. I taken a good shot of Doha landing. While landing the airport, I saw the city was very decorated nicely due to the FIFA World Cup. So you can check out that landing video on top of my corner on my Doha playlist. So overall it's a very big airport. I'm not going to cover, not possible also to cover. I have next flight to catch to India, almost another 8 hours, I think 8 to 10 hours I have, 10 hours I have the flight where I'm going to catch the next flight to India. In the meantime, I booked sleep and flight. There's a place where you can book and you can sleep there. You have single room, you have a double room, you have a family room. So I booked a room where you can sleep for some time. You wanted to take rest, you can take rest, and then you can catch your flight. So it's an hourly basis booking. You can check in my description. I given the URL. So when I arrived at Doha, then I checked with the sleep and fly. The location. They told me it is in a B area. So now from A to B, I travel to a electric kind of train. Actually, I can say it's not. It's kind of a monorail. I can say. I don't know exact word what I'm going to use it here. It's a monorail or something like that. Check out this video now. So this one I saw when in 2015 when last time I came to Doha. This was just newly built and now it is full-fledged. So that's the beauty of this international airport. So there are a lot of food joints here. You can enjoy your food, and because you have a 12 hours of layover I have, so I'm getting a complimentary food, so which I can use it from the food court. Now in the food court, the only problem is for a vegetarian. It is an issue. I tried to search vegetarian food. A breakfast actually. It's very few options are there in the food court. I got only this one, what you call a spring vegetarian boat, which I got it, and otherwise you get salad, but you can get rice, curry, and all those things, fried rice, and all those biryanis, chicken biryani, beef biryani. All those things are readily available here, 24/7. But for vegetarian, I found the options are very less. I was looking for South Indian food, which I didn't find it, like dosa and idli, but I didn't get it here. But anyway, it's fine whatever I have. Luckily, I got some vegetarian like food like spring roll, and I got some juice, and I'm able to manage with that. And it's a good airport. Obviously, it's an international standard airport. Very nice, very neat and clean. Plenty of shops. I'll show you some of the shops and some of the insides of this Doha airport.
Baby, stay
Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed my video, and don't forget to click subscribe button, and don't forget to click the like button. If you need something more information, you can put your comments, and see you in the next videos. And apart from that, there are various videos, various playlists that I explicitly covered Cape Town. This time I'm going to cover mostly about my places, I mean where I'm going to visit India. I hope I should be able to shoot good shots there. If it is ready, then you can check out in the playlist on the top of my right corner of this video, the tags. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye, take care.